Hey there metalheads, and welcome to another do-it-yourself repair video. In this video we're replacing a faulty LED indicator, which is the indicator that lights up when the carbon brushes need replacement. What we need for this repair is a screwdriver, a wire cutter, a Stanley knife, a wrench size 8, a drilling machine, a new LED indicator, a burner, and a crimping tool. First, remove the cable clamp. Then remove the top or end cover. Fetch the orange lever nut connector and detach it from the wires. Next to the carbon brush, remove the screw holding the tail end of the LED indicator wire. Now remove the white cap or adapter ring cap. Detach the now exposed motor cable wires and then continue to remove the motor cable from the end cover. Now it's time to remove the faulty LED indicator. To do this, we first need to gut the sleeve. And after that, loosen the nut with wrench size 8 as indicated. And cut the tail end of the faulty LED indicator wire so you can remove the nut completely. Now push out the LED indicator and remove it from the end cover. Feel free to dispose of it as you see fit. Now it's time to prepare the new LED indicator. First, remove the nut as indicated. Now guide the end of the LED indicator through the hole in the end cover and make sure not to use the power cable hole for this. Guide the nut carefully back into place. Use wrench size 8 to fasten it. Now guide the short sleeve all the way to the front . And use the burner to heat it in place. Continue to use the long sleeve for the other side of the wire. Make sure to place it exactly as shown in the video, so it borders the tiny diode perfectly. Heat it so it wraps tight around the wire. Now attach the ring terminal with the crimping tool. Make sure not to touch and break the diode right below it. This was the hardest part. Now we're basically reversing our steps, so guide the power cable back into place as indicated in the video and follow the rest of the steps closely. If you followed the video closely, you now should have these two red wires left. Grab the orange lever nut connector. Make sure both levers are open as indicated and refit the wires and close them. Fit everything back into place and reattach the end cover. After this, refit the cable clamp and you're done. That's it. You have replaced the LED indicator, and remember, if it lights up, replace the carbon brushes. Check our other video for that do-it-yourself job. Thanks for watching and see you next time.